So this is LED 1 for this QR code, LED 2 for this barcode, LED 3 for this barcode, LED 4 for this QR code, LED 5 for this barcode, LED 6 for this barcode. Currently, LED 4 is on for this QR code and it's displays at the controller. So I will try LED 1 QR code. Random